back to Mimi and Kids channel. Today we're going to unboxing Lego playtime. Now there is a Lego with tank, and this is the pictures and the instruction. Let's play with us.
Ketemu lagi dengan Aa Eza bersama Mimi and Kit. Kita hari ini mau main apa,
Lego.
Mau main Lego. Coba lihat Legonya mana. Tulisannya apa? Coba liatin sini. Wow, namanya Lego Military Fob. Kemarin kita beli Lego Military Fob. Coba dibuka.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
The first thing that we have to do is arrange the Lego with 6 dots, and don't forget to see the instruction. This is the instruction. Let's play with us. Wow, see, Eza can arrange the Lego well. Look, it has 4 wheels.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Now let's see. We can arrange the other parts. Look, Eza can do it well, right?
Wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away.
Mom, do you know that the skills children learn from Legos are important and incredible?
Iron and steel, build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
If you never really look of them as super educational, and Mom, you will soon see the benefits to letting your children play with Legos.
Bend and bow, iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is
There are some skills that children can learn from Legos.
down, London Bridge is falling down.
The first one is fine motor skills. Using Lego bricks is the perfect opportunity for building fine motor skills. Lego bricks are a great manipulative to work the fingers as children build and even pick up Lego pieces. Children love the thrill of building, and they can do this for hours. Building up strong little muscle in their hands that will help them to do other skills such as learn to write. The second one is cooperative play. It's so easy for Lego building to turn to a time of imaginary bliss with adventures, heroes, villains, animals, and even family members. Using Lego mini features and bricks with other pieces gives children the same skills they would learn in dramatic play or from using a dollhouse. Lego creations become a form of storytelling. Or a mother is taking care of her son who is headed to school for the day. The third one is solving a puzzle. It doesn't matter whether a child uses an instructions booklet or builds completely from their own imaginations. and solving a puzzle when children are picking up little pieces around them to form a building, plane, or creatures they are being ordered out of chairs. The fourth one is technology. Put simply, technology is using techniques to accomplish a task. Lego teach children to use basic materials to complete a task. Number 5 is engineering. Children quickly learn that a tower made of single column quickly falls. By creating a stable base, they open up a new world of possibilities. Soon, they will have pyramids or maybe even the Eiffel Tower.
Iya. Makannya nggak bisa jatuh.